Hi, welcome. Today we can solve absolute function. Okay, I will solve absolute function for another method. You can look. What mean if f of x equal modulus x? That mean this function have equal x while x greater than 0 minus x less than 0. Then this function may be x and minus x. Okay, we can look. If we say modulus 5, that equal 5, and we can say modulus minus 5 equal also 5. That means modulus any number here positive or negative, then it give me the positive number. Then how we can solve? We can draw first like this. If this x axis y axis, we can draw this function the same, this 0, 2 line. Then how we can solve problem have absolute? Have example. Give me what value of x while modulus x minus 1 equal 5. How we can solve this? All student solve and know we can solve this x, we can solve this x minus 1 equal 5 or x minus 1 equal minus 5. For this you can say x equal 5 plus 1 equal 6, but here x equal minus 5 plus 1 equal minus 4. Then the solution set equal 6 and minus 4. Okay, I will solve this problem for another method and another idea. Okay, we can see a modulus x minus 1 equal 5. Okay, we can get 0 of modulus. What means 0 of modulus? Then x minus 1 equal 0, then x equal 1. What value x equal 1? That name 0 of modulus inside. Then we can draw line and we put here the 0 of modulus value equal 0. Then we have two sides, positive right hand side and left hand side. Then we can put the equation here the same, x minus 1 equal 5. Here in right hand side in right here, but in another side left side, then we change, but we can put minus x minus 1 equal 5. Then what different? Here the in right side we can put the same, no change it, but we change the signal from positive to negative. That means we can solve this equation that mean x equal cx. And before we can lift this solution, we can test the solution. Are x equal 6 in this interval? Are 6 element in right hand side? Yeah, 6 bigger than 1, then this solution. Okay, left hand side minus x plus 1 equal 5, then minus x equal 4, then x equal minus 4. Oh, we find x, but we can test first. Minus 4 less than 1, 0 modulus. Yes, it interfere this size. Then minus 4 element left hand side. Then the solution set equal minus 4 and 6. We can look, yes, minus 4 and 6. I explained today how we can solve the absolute equation like this. We can know and can solve another equation. Give me answer modulus 2x plus 5 equal 10. Okay, the same. We can find 0 this modulus, then put 2x plus 5 equal 0, then 2x equal minus 5, then x equal minus 5 by 2, like this. Then we can make line and we put the 0 of modulus minus 5 by 2 and this value 0. We have two sides, right hand side, left hand side. Then we can put this equation here, the same signal. Then 2x plus 5 equal 10, and another left hand side from 0 modulus we can change and we put minus 2x plus 5 equal 10. Then we can solve this equation and another one we can solve. Then 2x equal 10 minus 5, then 2x equal 5, then x equal 5 slash 2. Before we leave this, x 5 divided 2 element in this interval? No, cause this, yes, it element in the right hand side this solution. We can find another solution left hand side. Then minus 2x minus 5 equal 10, minus 2x equal 15, then x equal 15 over minus 2. Okay, are this element in left hand side this? Then yes, then the solution set equal minus 15 over 2 and 5 over 2. Then the solution for this equation. We can solve another equation. It have two modulus. How we can solve problem have two modulus? Have two modulus in left hand side and right hand side. Like what? We can know and solve equation the same. I give you example. x square plus 2x minus 14 equal 2 modulus x plus 1. How we can solve equation like this? That no problem. We can get the zero of modulus, then x minus 1, this zero modulus, then we make line and we put minus 1, this zero modulus, and in right we down the equation, then x square plus 2x minus 40 equal 2x plus 2, 2x plus 2, and left side with the same, then x square plus 2x minus 40, 14 equal, we put here minus, then equal minus 2x minus 2. Okay, we can solve normal every side alone, then x square 2x by 2x minus 40 equal 2, then x square equal 16, then x equal plus or minus 4, but x here have two value, positive and negative. In what value we can choose? The minus 4 it refused, then x equal 4 only. Why refused for minus 4? Because here 0 of modulus minus 1, then minus 4 no not element from in this interval. Another left side, okay, x square minus 2x coming, then 4x and minus 12 equal 0, okay. Then how we can solve this equal 0, the same equation? We can solve normal, then equal 0, x square x and 2 and 6, and the same this positive, this minus, then x equal 2 and x equal minus 6. Then we can test what in this number we can element in this interval size. This minus 1, this 0 modulus, then this refused, then x equal minus 6, this good solution. Then solution set equal 4 and minus 6. Okay, this I explain this modulus and equation another method, so easy to I explain like this. I can solve another equation also. How we can solve modulus x plus 1 minus 2 equal 2x plus 3. How we can solve this equation? How we can solve this? Okay, we can get the 0 of modulus. Here equal minus 1, here equal x equal minus 3 over 2. Then we can solve, we can draw this line, and we put this minus 1 we put minus 1, and this 3 minus 3 over 2, then this 3 over 2, and this minus 1, 0 of modulus. We can down this equation, while we solve this, we put here in this the positive here size for 0 modulus, then we down here equation the same signal for this modulus, then x plus 1 minus 2, okay, equal all this equal 2x plus 3. Then x, go with x, then here x, 1 minus 2 equal minus 1 plus 3. Then x equal minus 4. R minus 4 element in interval high of minus 1? No, it is not solution. Okay, in this between, or we can find this and put the equation again, all here again, but the down of minus 1, we change this modulus, like what? Then coming minus x minus 1 minus 2 equal the same, equal 2x plus 3. Then this coming here, then 3x plus 3 equal minus 3. Then minus 6 equal 3x. Then over by 3, then x equal minus 2. R minus 2 element from this interval between minus 3 over 2 minus 1? No, because minus 2 here, minus 2 here. Then this not solve also, no solution. We can put here another size. All we change all the modulus of sine the same. Then this minus x minus 1 minus 2 equal minus 2x minus 3. Then the solution is coming minus x minus 2x stay minus x equal this minus 3, then minus x equal 0, then x equal 0. That mean in x equal 0, no element in this interval, then no solution. You can solve this and this. Okay, thank you. I only tell you another method to can solve absolute of equation. Thank you, Mr. Salim.